everyone. I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. I am back with another coding challenge video. Now, originally, when I first recorded, I did get myself coding line by line. But when I reviewed that video, I found out that my mic was not working. So I had to restart the PC and start over again. So instead of recoding all of this challenge, I'm just going to walk you guys through it and let you guys see how I went about solving it. So let's go ahead and read the instructions. This is the medium challenge. It's called Password Strength Checker. And the instruction is to write a function that is called password strength that takes a string password as input and returns a message describing its strength. It can be either weak, moderate, or strong. And it gives us some more instructions here. It says a weak password is one that is less than 8 characters long. A moderate password is one that is at least 8 characters long but does not contain both letters and numbers. And a strong password is one that is at least 8 characters long but does contain both letters and numbers. So some methods I use to come up with my logic is the alpha method and the is digit method. So it is alpha. This is just going to let us know if something is a letter, and then is digit is going to let us know if something is a number. Okay, so the first thing I did was what the instructions stated. I defined a function called password strength. It is going to take in a password, and to check whether the password has a number, both a letter and a number there, I am creating a dictionary here, and I'm going to pass in the keys for number and set that as an empty string. And also for letter, we're setting that as an empty string. So as you'll see in the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check each character, and if the character is a number, we'll set this value to true. And then if you find a character that is a letter, we're going to set that value to true. But we'll get back to that at the end. So coming forward, we see here, my first condition was to check if it was less than 8 characters, because if it's less than 8 characters, we're done. We don't even have to figure out if it's a letter or a number there at all. If it's 8 characters, it's automatically going to return weak, because it is a weak password. So that takes care of if the password is less than 8 characters. But if it's not less than 8 characters, we're going to go through and we're going to perform the rest of this code. And pardon me, I'm overcoming a code or some sort, but next up, we're going to loop through that password. And then we're going to check if the character, like I stated before, we have our dictionary. So if it finds a character that is a letter, we're setting the letter value to true. And if it finds a character that is a number, we're going to set that number value to true. So that is our condition for if it is a strong password. Another strong password has to have both a letter and a number. So coming down here at the end is where we're going to check to see if both of our key values are true. If both are true, we're returning strong, because it's a strong password. If it's any other thing but both of them being true, it's automatically moderate, because it doesn't have both of the criteria of being a strong password. So if both of them is not true, you're automatically going to return moderate. And then down here at the bottom, I am just passing a few test cases. And as you can see, everything worked correctly. The one that was less than 8 returned weak. The one that was at least 8 characters but that did not contain both letter and numbers was moderate. And the one that does contain both letter and numbers that's greater than 8 is strong. So that is how I went about solving it. Let me guys know how you went about solving it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.